Welcome to DIY illegal recipes. I'm John, and today's video will be a top 5 of Lorann Flavors. Lorann is a food flavorings company that has been active for many years and is one of the oldest in the industry. The flavors I will talk about today are very common, and in some countries you could even find them in the supermarket at the baking section. Before I start, I just have to say that all flavors included in this list are for the clear version of each flavor. For vaping and DIY e-liquid making, it is recommended to use exclusively the colorless version of each flavor. So now starting first with the very nice banana cream. This is one of the fullest and most realistic banana cream flavors you can find. It is a complete concentrate with a good amount of banana and cream flavor, and it will work fine as a standalone concentrate. It is mainly a banana flavor with extra cream added to it, and not a cream flavor with a banana accent as it would be expected from the name. Also, it is slightly weak, so anywhere from 8 up to 10% is a good ratio to start with it. Next is another very good and complete standalone flavor. This is Lorann's Lemonade. This flavor is at number 2 in this list because it's also one of the better and most accurate flavor replications from Lorann. Other than the also very good lemonade from Flavor West, Lorann's lemonade is a better, if not the best, single lemonade flavor you can use. It has enough sweetness to balance the lemon sourness, and it comes out as a very good and realistic lemonade that will need no help from additional flavors or even sweetener in some cases. Again, same as the banana cream, you can't go wrong with this flavor. Try it from 5 up to 8% for a single flavor e-liquid. Next is number 3, and this is Lorann's Butter Rum. This is a delicious pastry-like flavor that works really well with most creams and cheesecake flavors. It is a very creamy and sweet flavor, good as a side accent, or you could even use it alone with some extra sweetener for a rum candy like e-liquid. I mainly use this as an accent, but you could work it into a good butter rum flavor if you use it as the main profile. Try butter rum from 4 up to 7%. Next is a slightly different flavor than the previous ones. This is a very bright and fruity concentrate. The very accurate Pina Colada from Lorann. I think the idea behind this flavor was something like a one-shot concentrate. Even though I know Lorann doesn't make one-shots, the Pina Colada together with the previously mentioned lemonade could as well be sold as one-shots from them. They're both very complete and accurate representations of each flavor, and you could even mix them straight without any sweetener. The flavor of Pina Colada is a nice tropical fruit mix with the coconut flavor standing out the most. Also, it seems like the same cream as the banana cream flavor is used here, but at a much lower concentration. The cream accent is included here not so much for taste, but to add some extra body to the flavor. It is a good and accurate pina colada, and if you're looking to make a pina colada e-liquid, this flavor will be a good start. Try it alone from 6 up to 9%. Next, for number 5, I picked another fairly popular Lorann flavor, and this will be their watermelon flavor. This is slightly different than the Flavor Art and Flavor Apprentice watermelons. It is not as bright as those flavors, and I would actually call it slightly dark flavor. It is very strong and it will overpower most other fruits, so it is usually best to pair it with a light cream or just use it alone. It is a very sweet and candy-like watermelon similar to a watermelon candy. It also has a slight artificial taste similar to a Jolly Rancher, which is a positive attribute if you're trying to make a candy e-liquid, but for a food e-liquid, there are other lighter and more realistic watermelons that would work better. For a quick watermelon candy recipe, this flavor would work very well. Try it from 4% up to 7% max. And last, I have a bonus flavor that is outside of this list, but is worth to mention. This is Lorann's bubblegum flavor. Now this is more of a novelty flavor and it has a lot of sweetener as it would be expected. I can also taste some ethyl malto inside, but the best part of this concentrate is the way they were able to capture the taste of bubblegum. It is very realistic and probably one of the most accurate bubblegum flavors I have tried. So if you're looking for a good and real bubblegum flavor, this one would be a good recommendation also. These are all the flavors I thought are the best to try first from Lorann. There are a few more of course that are worth trying, but as far as my top 5 goes, these are my recommendations. If you only had to buy one flavor out of this list, then the banana cream would be my suggestion. Now leave us your thoughts about the video and your top list from Lorann if you also have one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again on the next video.